In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Fireflies AI to Slack. We'll move through Slack's admin area, find the Fireflies app in the marketplace, review its details so you know exactly what you're enabling, and then finish the connection on the Fireflies website. By the end, your meeting notes and recaps can flow straight into the channels where your team collaborates. Start inside Slack. From your workspace, head to the admin area. You're looking for the section that manages tools for your organization, typically labeled Admin. Once you're there, open Apps and Workflows. This is where Slack centralizes app management, so you can see what's already installed and discover new integrations. Open installed apps first to get a quick sense of what's currently in use, then choose Browse to jump into Slack's app marketplace. In the marketplace, use the search bar and type Fireflies. You'll see a few suggestions appear. Select the option to see all results for Fireflies, and then choose Fireflies AI from the list. That opens the app's detail page, where you can confirm it's the official listing. On the listing, start with the Description tab. This overview explains how the app works in Slack, what it posts, how it shares meeting notes, and what kind of notifications to expect. Use the right arrow on the listing page to step through the overview cards. These slides walk through the experience visually, so clicking through them is a quick way to confirm the workflow aligns with what your team needs. Next, review the app's permissions. This section explains what data the app can access and why it needs those permissions. Understanding this upfront helps you avoid surprises after installation. Then open Security and Compliance to see the developer's policies and any certifications they share. If your organization has specific compliance requirements, this tab helps you verify those boxes are checked. The Scope section breaks down the technical access in more detail. Again, useful for confirming this integration is appropriate for your workspace. Before you add the app, take a moment to check pricing on the listing. Fireflies offers multiple plans, so it's helpful to see what features are included at different tiers. Also look at supported languages to confirm transcription and summaries will work in the language your team uses most. When you're comfortable with the details, click Add to Slack. Depending on your workspace settings, you might be asked to request approval from an administrator. If you have permission to install apps, you'll see Slack's authorization screen, which lists the exact permissions requested. Confirm the workspace shown is correct, review the scopes one more time, and proceed to allow. After Slack confirms the app is added, you'll be directed to complete setup on the Fireflies website. Click Get Started to open the integration flow. If you're new to Fireflies, you can request a demo to see the product in action before fully committing, or log in if you already have an account. During this step, you'll be asked to connect your Slack account to Fireflies. Accept the integration so the two services can share information securely. This connection enables Fireflies to post meeting recaps, action items, and summaries into your chosen channels or direct messages. As you grant access, keep an eye on any options to choose default channels or notification preferences. Picking a dedicated channel for meeting notes can keep your workspace tidy and make it easier for teammates to find recaps later. If your organization requires admin approval for app data sharing, complete that approval now to finalize the link. That's it, your Slack workspace is now connected to Fireflies. You've browsed the marketplace, reviewed the app's description, cycled through the overview, confirmed permissions, security, scopes, pricing, and supported languages, added the app to Slack, and finished by signing in on Fireflies and accepting the integration. With everything connected, you can enjoy streamlined meeting notes delivered right where your team communicates.